Well, first, thank you all for being here this morning. My name is Carrie Steele, and I am president of the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago's Board of Commissioners. Thank you all for being here to celebrate our 4th Black History Month flag raising ceremony. First, I would like, yes, let's give a round of applause for that. I would like to say this is the 4th time, and we were the first agency in Illinois to raise this black flag. So let's give a round of applause. I would like to first introduce our commissioners. We have Vice President Kimberly Neely Dubuclet, Commissioner Dan Pogoshevsky, Commissioner Flynn, Commissioner Ada Corral-Sepulveda, Commissioner Mariana Sparopoulos, and Commissioner Yumika Brown. I would also like to acknowledge our Executive Director, Brian Perkovich, and thank you for your support with us acknowledging and celebrating this Black History Month. I always look forward to raising the Pan-African flag because it helps us to remember the struggles of our past. It acknowledges the breakthroughs accomplished by those who came before us and celebrates the progress that continues to be made by African Americans worldwide. By taking time to recognize Black History Month, we demonstrate our commitment to our communities, which are strengthened by our commitment to excellence, our commitment to increase diversity, and us recognizing not only the need for equity, but working to make sure resources are distributed fairly. This year's national theme is Black Resistance, which highlights how African Americans have resisted historic and ongoing oppressions in all forms and celebrates how African Americans worked collectively to serve and strengthen our communities. In keeping with this theme, the district will be holding a panel discussion on February the 16th at 5 p.m., which will focus on environmental issues and how community leaders and others advocate for equity. Before I introduce our Vice President, Kimberly Neely Dubuclet, I would like to introduce a few other elected officials that have joined us this afternoon. Cook County Commissioner Frank Aguilar, and Appellate Court Justice Jesse Reyes, and it is now my great honor to introduce our Vice President, Kimberly Neely Dubuclet.
Good morning and welcome to this freezing morning. Thank you all for being here this morning. My name is Kim Dubuclet, and it's great to see all of you here to celebrate this very important occasion. We are raising the Pan-African flag not only at our main office building here, but also at all 7 of our water reclamation plants across the county. The design of the Pan-African flag has a special meaning. The red represents the blood of African people shed for liberation. The black represents people of African descent, and the green represents the continent of Africa and all of its natural wealth, the land from which African people descended. I would not be remiss if I did not recognize the efforts of my predecessor, former Vice President Barbara J. McGowan, who recently retired from this office. Vice President McGowan initiated the first annual Pan-African flag raising in 2020, along with President Steele. She was also the brainchild of many Black History Month celebrations at the district. I know I have huge shoes to fill, and I wholeheartedly embrace the challenge of leading this year's events. The district has celebrated Black History Month for over 30 years, and we look forward to your attendance and participation on Thursday, February 16th, here at our main office building. As the President said, we are planning a lively panel discussion on environmental justice that you do not want to miss. Now everyone, please turn to the back of your handouts for the words of Lift Every Voice and Sing as we raise the flag.
God, the spirit is revisiting us. True and living in us. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Ferguson with our hands up. When it goes down, and we stand up. We on the ground, the camera pans up.
Are you good? Keep going. You're good.
Happy Black History Month. No, I might as well. I'll hold it up.
Never say never.
I love history. Oh wait, no.
Our size, you can get
No
them up to
problem.
60. You can have them on the 60.
Before we close, there's one other elected official, Donna Miller, was not able to attend, but she did send a staff person, so she could wave. The staff person from Commissioner Donna Miller's office. Logan. No, this is Logan. Thank you, Logan, who also is my daughter's best friend.
And thank everyone for coming. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I want to say first and foremost, thank you. I'm so grateful for all the wonderful people that really helped organize an inspiring event this morning where we raised the African American flag here at the MWRD. And it is my honor that one of the guests that we had come here was none other than Carrie Laurent, famed opera singer. Yes. Want to say hi to everyone?
Hello, everyone. Super proud to be here. Great friend of Commissioner Pogozelski, also known as Commish Pogo. That's my new nickname for him. But it's been a wonderful event. The flag is raised. I'm going to be looking on with pride as I drive by every single time. It's great that this event even exists for the city of Chicago.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And so I just want to remind everyone, Black history is American history. So please stay tuned. We'll have celebrities just like Kari. I know that this isn't exactly the Rosie O'Donnell show which you appeared on. But it's great to have the person that was the voice of God at Navy Pier here with us today. So thank you so much, and looking forward to having more of these videos with everyone.
Brought to you by Commissioner Daniel Pogozelski of the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Chicago.